I sometimes wonder, what does peace sound like? Is it quiet, an emptiness, void of thoughts? Does it sound like my consciousness losing with relief of being safe and comfortable? Does it sound like those birds? Who knows where they hide? We only hear the chirping sounds, their silken happiness that comes with basking in the dry season sun. Or maybe it's the scratching noise produced as we drag our feet towards our destinations while sharing juicy gossips. No, maybe it's like the bickering from friends, relatives, companions. Or it's the silky, groovy voices of the children's choir during one of their practice sessions at the church down the street. I sometimes wonder,